Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for yesterday's US session, which was Wednesday the 13th of July. So we said that there had been a big move in the US markets due to the CPI news that came out at 1:30. We had support at 37.45 to 37.53, but breaks below there were very bearish. We had initial resistance at 37.96 to 38.02 with stronger resistance at 38.12 to 38.18. So let's go and have a look at the market from yesterday. Okay, so you can see this is the news that I was talking about that come out here at 1:30. Really strong push down that 38.12 to 38.18 zone. We got a push down. We didn't quite get to that support at 37.45 to 37.53 area that we said down here. We actually held the zone that we had just above that 37.49 to 56. Wasn't really any reversal pattern in there, however, anyway, so nothing that we could have taken advantage of. But yeah, so that zone worked well. So the zone was good, but we was trying to look for a little bit lower for the move higher. We then came up and you can see we tested the 38.12 to 18 zone. We had a nice reaction off there, and notice we couldn't quite gain the acceptance back above there for the rest of the session. We had another push up here, but no acceptance. Another lower here, and again here, but no form of acceptance above that zone in the session. So it was a quite corrective session in the end. But nothing really of high probability that we could have taken advantage of. This was probably the best sort of reaction from there, but there was nothing there for us to get involved in. So that was the S&P. Now let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so we spoke about that big move on the Dow again as well. We said 30.0550 to 3600 could see it moves lower, so we had support at 305.50 to 30600. Potential resistance on the retrace came in at 308.60 to 309.10, with yesterday's close at 309.81 also a level to note. So let's go and have a look at the Dow from yesterday. Okay, so Dow actually acted much better than the S&P in regards to our zones, offering more opportunities. We had, you can see again, there's that push down. We then came down. We had this test just after the open on that 305.50 to 30600 zone, and that was a reversal pattern there to get long. We had the initial resistance at 308.60, 308.90. Again, we had that reaction from that there. No real reversal pattern for us to get in on there, unfortunately. But notice how when we did break, we mentioned that yesterday's close at 309.81 was a level to note, and we reacted straight from that. The high of that was 309.86. So really a good level that yesterday that we picked up on in the report, and that was what capped the market action yesterday. So yeah, this was the initial resistance, but we just wanted to go and fill that gap, and that's what held it. But a nice reversal pattern here just after 3 o'clock on the Dow. So the Dow acted much better than the US, the S&P. And often when you get these big market moves, you just need to wait for the market to just sort of shake it out and resettle itself. So you need to be a bit more patient, a bit more careful when you see this like really big, strong move in one go, because the market will want to take a little bit more time to just digest and rebalance itself a little bit. So that's yesterday's sessions in the US market. Hope you're enjoying these reports. Please let me know what you think by commenting in the box below. Sign up to the Keyzone Traders US Keyzone service and become part of the Keyzone Traders community, and just subscribe to our YouTube channel and get these reports ahead of time to take advantage of them. So I hope you find it useful, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.